Vice Captain Hassan Musanna and Atikur Rahman to come and receive the prize. Hassan Musanna and Atikur Rahman are receiving their trophy for cricket.
आपकी भरपूर तालियों की मुंतज़िर
Is Mariam House, and I would like to call Sonia Javed and Soha on the stage to the certificate.
हौसला बढ़ा दीजिए बेटा जनाब। बहुत खूबसूरत मुकाबला जात के बाद इनामात का सिलसिला जारी है। ये बच्चे आपसे दाग समेटने के लिए अरसा से मेहनत कर रहे हैं।
I'd like to call Mehwish Yusuf and Laiba Shahid on the stage to receive their trophies and certificates. Ahmed. Now I request Principal Aspire College Jhang, Mr. Mohammad Naveed Akhtar, to present memento to our venerated guest, Mr. Shehzad Rafi, who is President of Ex-Chamber and Commerce Jhang. Ladies and gentlemen, give a round businessman of the town. Sir, please come on the stage and distribute the prizes. Now, it's time to announce the Now, I request our runner-up team, who is Arfa House. And from Arfa House, I would like to invite Mehwish Yusuf and Laiba Shahid on the stage. Certificate. The runner-up team for badminton is Fatma House, and I would like to invite Ms. Rania Fatima on the stage. The best player of table tennis is Amna Akhtar. Amna Akhtar, please come on the stage and receive your medal along with the certificate of the best player. Now it's time for the lawn tennis. The winner house is Zainab House. Larif Zara and Ume Habiba are requested to come on the stage. The runner-up house for lawn tennis is Fatma House. Ayman and Aisha Khan are requested to come on the stage and receive their award. The best player of lawn tennis is Larif Zahra. Narif Zara is requested to join on the stage and receive the medal and certificate. Nimra Arif of Zainab House stood first in shot put. Nimra Arif, please come on the stage. Suman of Mariam House stood second in shot put. Suman from Mariam House. Ariba of Arfa House stood third in shot put. Ariba from Arfa House. Now, I request our worthy principal of Aspire College, Jhang, Mr. Mohammad Naveed Akhtar, to present memento to our esteemed guest. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Omar Khan. Thank you so much, sir. You took the first one, secured first position. Uneza from Zainab House stood second in the discus throw. Maybe Yusuf is requested to join us to receive her prize. Now moving towards javelin, Ariba from Arfa House stood first. Nimra Arif from Zainab House stood second. Hadisa from Fatima House stood third. Proceeding towards 100-meter race among girls, Hadisa from Fatma House stood first. Kashyap from Arfa House stood second. Sanya from Zainab House took third position. For 200-meter race, I would like to call the winners. Hadisa secured first position from Fatima House. In 200-meter race. Roman from Zainab House got third position in 200-meter race.
Please put your hands together to appreciate the winners.
Proceeding forward towards the best athlete among senior girls of Aspire College, Jhang. Champions keep playing until they get it right.
The thing which is missing here is just the appreciation that the kids need from the audiences. Please appreciate them and boost their morale.
So now it's time to give away the prize to the best athlete among the girls of Aspire College Jhang. Champions keep playing until they get it right. A happy, grateful athlete does more, experiences more, and achieves more. So ladies and gentlemen, the title of the best athlete among senior girls of Aspire College Jhang is captured by Hadisa from Fatima House.
The one who proved that she is the best among all. Please put your hands together for Hadisa Fatma, the best among all.
Hadisa, your endeavors to enhance your aptitude made you a champion. Now, it's time to announce the best house of the annual Olympiad. Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence win championships. I congratulate Arfa House on becoming the best house of the year. The way you played, the way you struggled, and the way you enlightened your name among all the teams is remarkable. And it's wonderful starting of the era of sports at Aspire College Jhang.
So Aspire College Jhang, we just appreciate them a lot, the winners, the one who just wrote their name on the top of all, and the house name is...
The untiring efforts of House Mistress Miss Ashian Jhang and Assistant House Mistress Miss Rachel Saklan made it possible. House Mistress
And the cash prizes are distributed among the winners. The house mistress and assistant house mistress. The house mistress is rewarded with 3,000 cash prize, and the assistant is about to be for 2,000 rupees. I would like to appraise Ashi Anjum for being the winner among all houses. And Miss Rimsha Saklan for assisting her.
all the participants of Arfa House, you people are worthy of being given the most So pleased to announce that Mariam House stood as a runner-up house. You people played really well and gave a really tough time to all the teams. I would like to call House Mistress Miss Naseem and Assistant House Mistress Miss Bushra. Now I request Principal Aspire College Jhang, Mr. Muhammad Naveed Akhtar, to present memento to our esteemed guest. Thank you, Mr. Muhammad Jamil, District Sports Officer, for coming and having us. Aspire College Jhang. The untiring efforts of House Mistress Miss Ashley Anjum and Assistant House Mistress Miss Rachel Saklan made it possible. House Mistress
And the cash prizes are distributed among the winners. The house mistress and assistant house mistress. The house mistress is